Pre-exercise for yoga and sports. Pre-exercise will help to warm up the body before practicing yoga or sports activities. Standing posture, head and neck. Stand straight. Rotate the head slowly at 360-degree clockwise and anti-clockwise. While rotating, the ears should touch the shoulders. Move the head forward and backward. When the head comes in front, bend and touch the chin to the chest. Bend the head to right and touch the right ear to the right shoulder, and bend the head to the left and touch the left ear to the left shoulder. Rotate the head at 180-degree, first bending to the back and next to the front. Arms. Stretch the hand in front and move the hands front and back at the wrist level. First the palm is away from you and next the palm faces you. Move the hand to the sides right and left at the wrist level. First inwards and next outwards. Rotate the hand at the wrist level. First inwards and next outwards. Bend and stretch the hand at the elbow level again and again. Stretch the hand in front and open and close the fingers repeatedly. Join both the thumbs and stretch the hands above the head and bring them down. Now release the thumbs, stretch the hands sideways and to the front at the level of shoulder repeatedly. Touch both the hands together when they come in front and chest should be broadened. When the hands stretch to the sides, stretch both the hands on the sides at the shoulder level, move upwards, join the palms above the head in pranam position. Bring the hands down and touch the sides of thighs. Stretch both the hands on the sides at the shoulder level and bend the hands at the elbow level in front of the chest. Rotate the shoulders, first forward and next backwards. Stand straight, bend sidewards to the right. Left hand should move to the right. Next, bend sidewards to the left. Right hand should move to the left. Hip. Stand straight. Rotate the body at the hip level. First to the right and next to the left. Bend and straighten at the level of hip repeatedly. Keep the hands on the hip. Rotate the hip first to the right and next to the left repeatedly. Knees. Slightly bend the knees, hold the knees with the hands and rotate at the level of knees. First to the right and next to the left repeatedly. Toes. Lift the legs one by one and stretch and bend the toes repeatedly. Ankle. Lift the right leg, rotate the foot at the ankle level, first inwards and then outwards. Lift the left leg, rotate the foot at the ankle level, first inwards and then outwards. View it from the sides. Half the toes are moved, half the foot is rotated at the ankle level. Sit down with the legs stretched in front, hand on the sides of the body touching the ground. Move the feet at the ankle level, first inwards and then outwards. Next, move the toes front and back. Now, bend the leg at the level of knees, first right leg and next left leg. While bending the leg, hold the leg with both the hands and then release and stretch the leg. Next, bend both the legs at a time at the level of knees. Embrace the legs with two hands to the chest. Release and stretch the legs. Repeat it. Take the right foot and keep it on the left thigh. Stretch the leg again. Take the left foot, keep it on the right thigh. Stretch the leg again. One leg at a time. Sit straight. Keep the hands on the sides, touching the ground, and do butterfly exercise. Bend the knees. Press both the soles together and move the knees above and below. Sit straight. Stretch the left leg. Fold the right leg towards you. Raise both the hands above the head. Bend the hip level and touch the left foot with the hands. Sit straight. Stretch the right leg. Fold the left leg towards you. Raise both the hands above the head. Bend at the hip level and touch the right foot with the hands. Sit straight. Stretch the legs apart on the sides. Bend and touch the right leg with the left hand. Rest the right hand on the ground. Touch the left leg with the right hand. Rest the left hand on the ground. In the same position, bend and touch the ground in front with both the hands. Then sit straight and raise the hands above the head. Repeat it. Lying down posture. Lay down straight. Stretch both the hands to the sides. Lift the right leg. Cross over the left leg and touch the ground with the right feet. Bring it back to the original position. Now lift the left leg. Cross over the right leg and touch the ground with the left feet. Bring it back to the original position. Lay down straight. Both the legs at the knee level. Rotate the hip to the right and touch the ground with the knees. At the same time, turn the face to the left. Next, rotate the hip to the left and touch the ground with the knees. Simultaneously, turn the face to the right. Lay down straight. Bend the right at the level of knee. Hold it with both the hands. Touch the knee with the chin. Lay down straight. Bend the left leg at the level of knee. Hold it with both the hands. Touch the knee with the chin. Lay down straight. Bend both the legs at the level of knees. Hold them with both the hands. Touch the knees with the chin. Lay down straight. Bend both the legs at the level of hip and take the legs beyond the head. Then bring back to the legs to their original position. Lay down straight. Come to the sitting position. Bend forward at the hip level and touch the toes with both the hands. Again sit straight and then lay down. Lay down straight. Turn to the right side. Stretch the left hand and leg. Touch the left leg with the left hand. Again lay down straight. Turn to the left side. Stretch and touch the right leg with the right hand. Lay down straight. Bend the legs at the knee level. Hold both the legs with two hands to the chest and swing the whole body forward and backward. Bend the legs at the knee level and sit over the legs. Keep both the hands on the ground in front and stretch the body front and back at the hip level.